Hi, I'm Travis, and welcome to my closet. Today, we got a big box, so it's going to be a lot of fun. Let's dive straight in. Don't need that, don't need that. There we go. There is the beauty. This is the Michael Kors Signature Rhea Medium Logo Backpack. You can see here, it's got the signature MK all over it with this beautiful, beautiful gold zippers. We've got these delicate straps, and let's start reviewing. All right, so let's just start with this bottom zipper, because I was curious when I was in the store what it went to. Let's see. Well, oh. It just goes to a little pocket, a very little pocket. As you can see, my hand is only that deep. So I was kind of hoping the whole bottom would open, like, I don't know, but that's just me. Okay, it is beautiful though, and it breaks up the color scheme between just the signature and the bottom with this beautiful textured black leather. All right, and oh, I see here even the straps on the zipper are matching, so when they dangle down. All right, for our next pocket, we're gonna go for this front one and see where it leads. Oh, that is so beautiful. Look at that. Just what we've come to expect from Michael Kors, but every time I'm just taken aback by that beauty. This is a really deep, good pocket. It goes the full depth of the bag, which I'll go over the dimensions in a second. But it's like a perfect tablet pouch. Depending on the size, maybe a laptop, but I'm thinking definitely like a tablet. And the only reason why I hesitate on saying a laptop is because it rounds here, and your edges might stick out. But let's get that one re-zipped. All right, let's go for the big one. Oh, that is so beautiful. Is that all it opens? Okay, I wish it opened up a little more so we can have full access to it. I'm gonna bend this back. Don't look away if you're offended by bending materials. Oh, that hurts my soul. Okay, inside here, we have a pocket in the back. Oh, which is extremely deep. That goes all the way to what I'm guessing is the bottom, 1 inch from the bottom. So that is a great big pocket that you can put stuff in. We've got this zipper pocket right here. Let's see how far deep that goes. Did I close it? All right, we've got this zipper pocket, and that goes very deep too. What's this? Care card and something else. Okay. And these carry on that same leather from the outside, and the zipper pulls have the same leather. Quite beautiful. Here is a clippable spot for your keys. You can see it's pretty long so that you can drop them down in there, and oh yeah, let's unfold this. That's killing me. Oh, I hate that. Okay, please forgive me, bag. All right, so this is pretty long, and I think it's, well, no, you couldn't quite be wearing it and get to like unlocking something, but you could definitely swing it over one shoulder, dig this out, and use your key for whatever you need it for. I'll drop that back in there. We got a pocket on the front here. It's going to be hard to see, and I don't want to manipulate this more. Okay, it's separate pockets. Wait, let me investigate real quick. Okay, way deep down inside, and I'm not going to destroy this bag by pulling it apart, but there's like a little pin pocket here. If you can see, my 2 fingers fit in it. There is a larger pocket, maybe for a calculator or something like that, or maybe your phone. It itself, if I can re-find it, yeah, it's deep enough for a phone, so you could secure your phone inside there. And then way down deep, there is another little pocket, maybe for more pens or your highlighters or whatnot. But all in all, an absolute beautiful bag. I like how the zippers, this one has 2 because it's what makes it pretty here in the front, but these zippers don't have 2. So when it's closed, they're always going to be on the same side, and you don't have to worry about like trying to make them go in the exact middle and line up, if you know what I'm trying to get at. Let's try this on. Okay, there's one strap, and come on, strap number 2. All right, so I'll try to demonstrate here the buckle situation. It looks like I'm going to go pretty, let's see, I'm broad-shouldered, so I'm going to go 1 in. Or, you know what, I do all my videos at halfway, so let's do halfway. There's a total of 4 holes, so I guess I will go 1 in. Okay, and then this has a little strap right here to tuck it into. We'll see how, oh yeah, that's beautiful. All right, let me get the next side done real quick. One in. All right. And the material of these straps is that same beautiful leather carried on. And you can see it has quite a bit of character to it. All right, let's see. If I'm sitting and I'm throwing this backpack on, oh, yeah. I can't. Maybe I can look over my shoulder. Oh, that is a beaut. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a winner. I'd probably wear it 1 lower, just so it looked a little cuter hanging down off my back. I jumped scenes real quick because I loosened the straps and to its loosest setting, and I wanted to see how it looked on me, particularly with the loose setting. It's a little easier to get on. Let's see where it sits now. Well, about the same. So the increments of adjustment aren't really that much, but it's definitely just a beautiful, beautiful bag. You're going to be able to hold quite a bit in this. Let me fire up my notes real quick. This is at its biggest point. It is 9.5 inches wide. And I turned it backwards because it gets a little skinnier right here, but not much. So 9.5 inches this way, 12.5 from its top to its bottom, and it's 5 inches wide. So with that taken into account, you can get quite a bit in there. I mean, that's a decent sized bag. I know they call it medium, which this is a medium backpack. But as far as bags go, this is quite a bit of bag. I didn't mention the handle yet. It's got a good handle, so if you're just carrying it between moving seats or something and you don't necessarily want to sling it on. The only problem is these kind of spider leg out, don't they? That's not the cutest thing in the world. Let's see, is there any way to... Nope. Oh well, it's a backpack. People know they have straps. But I mean, I don't know. They spider leg out. That's just what it is. All right, you're gonna have a little bit of trouble finding this exact ray medium because the black is hard to find right now, but there's tons of rays still available on the Michael Kors site, and some of them have the signature brown all throughout. There's one called, I believe, the Jacquard, and it is white with blue MKs all over it. And there's some solid colors like a pink and I believe a lavender possibly still in stock. So good hunting, and I will put a link down in the description for you to be able to find some rays of your own. I'm Travis. Thanks for hanging out in my closet, and I'll see you next time. Bye.